Good morning, this is Bountiful Roots. I'm going in a slightly different direction with my channel. So right now I'm on my way to work, but I'm having to face some realities that I just have to address with myself. This is called self-accountability. So, I have a baby coming, which I'm very happy about. It's going to be another beautiful daughter. I already have my first daughter. Now I'm about to have another one. And as an herbalist, I understand the different foods, the different additives, and the different things that aren't healthy that's put into our food. I understand that. Let me rephrase that. When it's convenient, self-accountability. When it's convenient, I will eat better food. And I have slipped off as far as keeping food in the house that is only healthy and none of the other stuff. I slipped off on that. So I'm going to have to go back to that, but I'm also going to have to get my garden cleared out because I took a whole year off from farming, which I shouldn't have, but I did. And my whole garden is now grown over. So I'm going to have to get out there, or continue, because I do it, I just don't do it enough. I have to get out there and get it cleared out so I can get ready to plant some food for the winter time. Fall going into winter. If we even have a winter, it might just be a long fall. It gets a little cold. But anyway, so my main inspiration, my main reason for wanting to do that now is because I don't want my baby to have to eat this food with all these additives and preservatives. I want the milk that she receives from her mother to be as healthy and nurturing, and as just as good, as clean, and strong as possible. Meaning, the milk that we get from our mothers when we're first born gives our bodies the power to fight things off for the rest of our life. And because of the way this food is being made now, I want to make sure that she has all the best type of food and best things that she can start with. Boy, these people parking bad over here. So that's where I'm going with this channel. I want to make sure that I grow all of this good stuff, this good food, so she can have the best chance possible to develop her immune system, best building blocks for herself, for her body, and also so I can make baby food. Excuse me, the different stuff that I grow will be her baby food. It'll be her baby food, and it will be as healthy as possible. Because I grew them. I put other little herbs in there here and there. Help keep her strong. Yeah. So yeah, it's going to be a lot of self-accountability and a lot of changes that will be made in my life in preparation, and just a lot of things that need to be done anyway. All right. So this is the beginning. Okay. Bound for Roots out.